All right. Okay. Let's see. Got it. Share screen. Yeah, sorry guys. There we go. There we go. Perfect. So here we go. Okay. Perfect. So let me see how does it look. Yeah, give me one sec, guys, because I'm from the hotel and I have no choice to do it on Zoom right now. My other software was not working, so um bear with me, we're gonna get there. Go. Perfect. So, all right. So I think that should be good. Can I put my face there? How does it look? I don't even know how does it look. Can you guys hear me loud and clear? See comments here. Right here, I guess that would be the best to see comments. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I don't know how this look. Okay, it looks like this. Perfect. Okay, we see my ugly face over there. That's good. Okay, guys. Okay, let's get going. So I'm not going to be able to see comments. Actually, let me open up on my cell phone, maybe. Let me open up on my cell phone so at least I can know if there's questions. I'm not going to be able to see comments. Actually, let me open up. Okay. Perfect. Tony, howdy. Yes, we can hear you. Perfect. Thank you, Tony. Excellent. All right, let me put this phone like this here so I can see if we have question coming in. Awesome. Okay, boys and girls, let's get going. So again, that's gonna be a short live stream because again, I'm from the hotel with my dude right there. What's up, dude? In a ghetto hotel because they didn't want to let us in that nice hotel across the street. But hey, what do you think here? Want to make some money this morning? Yeah, I think he wants to make some money. Okay, let's start with GJ. So let's start with GJ. So GJ was expecting something like break retest above that major QP to continue to the upside, but look like today this daily candle is dipping under that major QP here. But at the same times, I mean, daily flip bullish, and if we look at our fib friend here, it was we can expect like a pullback probably around this area here, which is a weekly area if I'm not wrong. Yeah, exactly, which would be pretty nice if we do dip over there, because that's going to be an area of interest. I'm talking about swing trade right now. Okay, so we're gonna go into the scalp mode right after that. So for swing, I'm expecting something to dip down over here or the golden zone, but the 382 rejection will be in sync with the previous area that was broken, which is the previous resistance. So that becomes an area of interest right there. So yeah, so basically now at this stage, what we want is we got, let's say, whoops. Bam. All right. So basically we got this doing this, kind of a double top-ish, you know, and we want to see this dip over here form support to continue up, right? Or it might just deep down lower to this golden zone. We don't know yet. So that's why when we're going to tap this area, we're going to go down on the lower time frame, see the market switch and see if there's any opportunity. But as right now, it's not worth talking about it because we are way far from it. Okay. Keep in mind that I mean, Friday's gonna be an FP, so yeah, because we're 31st. Yeah, so Friday's gonna be an FP. So usually this week is kind of rocky. So let's be cautious here. So now let's talk about swing trade. Not swing trade. Scalp. Okay, so let's talk about scalp here. So let's see, baby, what we can do. All right, so looking for scalp, if I look at this previous daily was bullish, but this one is sinking. If we do break the low, look like we're continuing down. The 4-hour right now is bearish, right? So if you look here, 4-hour was bullish right here, boom, boom, became bullish. Actually, yes, okay, perfect. And oops, let's do this again. Man, I forgot my mouse and just pissed me off to do this on my trackpad. But anyways, so right now, I mean, at this stage, H4 is still bullish. Yeah, we're still bullish actually. Sorry. So this is just market structure and here, yeah. So we need to break this here, right here, to flip bearish. So if we do that and we have a nice retest over there to continue down to go to this area, maybe a quick scalp to the downside. But it's not nice right now. Look at this 1 hour. It's rangy, but maybe something under this area. Oops. Boom. Something under this. Yeah, but except that, not much for GG right now. Let's talk about gold, scalp possibility here. And again, if you have any question, let me know. Don't forget to smash that like button as you come in and subscribe if you didn't subscribe. Activate notification, of course. Like I said, this is this is gonna be a quick one. I'm on Zoom. It's not great right now for streaming. All right, look at gold, man. Oh shit. This is something I looked at yesterday night and I was like, if we can break 1922, we're gonna melt. That's why I put this zone there and damn, went to bed and look at this. Sheesh. If I was awake, would I have been able? Oh yeah, yeah. Nice break, retest, nice engulfing candle. Jeez, just for fun here. Oh yeah, 38 pip stop loss, 30. Yeah, 38. Can we have a 2-2-1? Oh yeah, more than enough. Oh yeah, boo, yo. That's too bad. It is what it is. Okay. So now let's talk about where we at. So let's take a look at the daily. Daily clearly destroyed. And you know, if you remember last week, I was saying like we need to have this pullback. You know, look at this weekly time frame. We had a huge push up. We had that weekly doji-ish. So for sure, man, this week we are in that pullback. We are more than due for that pullback. So let's see. Let's see where we can go. That daily did close bearish here. So this was our so we did flip bearish on the daily. We are bearish now on the 4-hour. Can we have a retest on the 4-hour? We shall see. But right now, let's take a look at the 1 hour. So 1 hour here, let's use our friend Fib. Where is it? Bam. And we are about to dip in that golden zone. Not easy to do with a trackpad. H4 GZ. There we go. Oh no, that's the H1 GZ. Sorry. That's gonna be GZ. There we go. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna place an alert here, and if we have on a lower time frame, the 30 or the 15-minute, something that do like this. I'm gonna show it to you guys. This is now I look at scalp. I want, these 15 or 30-minute to go bullish, to go inside this, whatever. And once it's in there, I want the switch of structure to continue down. So meaning we're creating high lows, and now I want to see either a double top, whatever, but it just happened to be like this, but something here to break this low, come up, retest, and continue down, or just create, yeah, basically that's what it is. I'm looking for my word in English this morning. Sorry, guys. Okay, so that's gonna be for gold. I mean, yes, you can grab a quick scalp to the upside inside this area also, which but at this stage, I mean, there's nothing, But if we do something like this, like let's say we do something like this to come up, I'm gonna look at the golden zone and use this as a target, right? So there's two ways you can take that trade. You can go with the trend, or you can go against the trend and use that golden zone for TPs, ultimate TPs, and that's about it. Okay, so now let's take a look at some swing. Took a look, AUD CAD, that's one of them I'm looking for. Look at this, how beautiful. We are coming down to this area right here, previous resistance that was broken. Look at the daily right here, previous resistance that was broken on the daily. And we're coming for that retest, which is also inside that golden zone. So a lot of good thing. So that's going to be my area of interest. One, on the daily, if we see a rejection around here and a switch of structure on the lower time frame, this is where I'm going to be taking that trade. As you see last week, I took a 4-to-1 on that pair to the upside, which was pretty great, right here. That was pretty amazing. So now let's see if we can continue with AUD CAD. Because right now everything is bearish on the lower time frame, but if you look at the monthly is bullish, the weekly is bullish, the daily is bullish. So just waiting for the 4-hour to flip bullish here, because right now the 4-hour is bearish. So yeah, so let's see, but that's something I'm really keeping in mind. ADCAD looks good. GA, man, GA. Let's talk about the good old GA that I used so much for scalping back then, and it's been more than a year I didn't scalp on GA. And the reason why, because price action was shit. So I was actually expecting here a break retest under 175 or a pullback inside the daily golden zone right here, which is happening right now. It did. Actually, I got the alert because I placed my alert just above it. I got the alert tonight, or I think it was around like 3 a.m., whatever. I looked at it this morning. So right now, if you look at the 4, we're getting into that golden zone. So let's see, because right now the 4, the weekly is bearish. Okay, the daily is bearish. So now the 4 is bullish, and I need the 4 to flip bearish. So again, just going to be waiting for this. Probably going to continue up a little higher, maybe, probably, or it's going to reject this area here to the left. We don't know, but I'm waiting for that flip of structure on the 4 hour took entries on a lower time frame. So GA is looking good, potential. AUD CAD is looking good, potential swing. AUD CAD, and again, don't forget Friday it's NFP. So all right, so AUD CAD, AUD GPY here. Let's take a look at the weekly. So here it's something I draw last week. After this weekly candle, I was like, all right, let's get a retest of this area. And again, it's happening, which is also the neckline retest. So if you look here, you got this double bottom-ish, you know, and you get the retest here, the neckline to continue up. So same concept here. So the weekly now is bullish. The daily is bullish. We got the retest of the zone. Now, the only thing is if we look at our friend Fib here, we might have a pullback a little lower, so we don't know yet. But as for right now, we are rejecting 382, which is good also. So we'll see. But so far, yeah, daily is bullish. Waiting for 4 hour to flip bullish also. So yeah, so three very good potentials so far. I don't know what's gonna happen today, next week, not next week, but in the next couple of days. But so far, yeah, you know, it looks good. It's not gonna happen next hour or so, that's for sure. But get ready for that. NZD CAD. And again, guys, if you have any question, if I go too fast, let me know. I'm trying to do that very quickly because I'm at the hotel and it's just very painful to do it on a laptop. So NZD CAD, let me delete this. NZD CAD is pretty choppy right now. So I don't know, just doesn't look very nice. Look at this 4 hour time frame, man. Just like rangy. So yeah, no. Fucking NZD CAD. Euro AUD was looking good. If you look here on the weekly time frame, was actually expecting a retest of this area, but look like we're coming back up, and we are very close to this. I think it's the daily golden zone, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, just right here, and right there. Perfect. So we actually entering this daily golden zone. Let's mark it up. Bam. And now let's do this. Perfect. So now, I mean, daily is bearish, weekly is bearish, and 4 hour right now is bullish. So same thing that I'm waiting for. So I'm going to push this up. NZCAD looked like shit, so we're going to put it down. So yeah, so right now, a Euro AUD is looking like the same as the other one. USD GPY, or that's dirty. Yeah, I'm not interested. Just like, no, fuck this shit. GU. All right, so GU, let's take a look at the weekly here. Let's delete this. So yeah, again, same idea. You know, look at this area, you know, whoops. Look at this area here. So waiting for that retest of previous structure, which is also a previous resistance over there, which is also our major QP 123,000. So yeah, so now we just don't know if we get to continue lower, because again, this can also be a pullback on the weekly for that golden zone, right? So it might go lower. We don't know. So that's why here on the daily, boom, 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 boom. Yeah. So now if you look at the daily just flip bear up. No, this candle is not closed yet. But if it does close like this, we're gonna be breaking the structure and flip bearish. So it looks like we might continue lower. So GU is probably not ready. We might have like a daily, like intraday, like break, retest to continue down. Like either intraday or scalp. Yeah, it's possible. So we might keep an eye on it, but it's not the nicest. Let's take a look here. NZD CAD looking for that retest here, daily, yeah, which is previous support here, and previous resistance, and yeah, pretty nice entry area of interest. And if you look, this is also our major QP, 86,000 right here. Let's put it major QP right here. Settings. Boom, here we go. So weekly is bullish, daily is daily is bullish at the moment, and 4 hour is ugly. 4 hours is just rangy. Ugh. There's a lot of pair. The 4 hour time frame is just rangy as fuck. Let's see. Sorry, guys. I'm on my cell phone to look at questions, so I don't know if I'm late on that one. How's GJ looking? Possible big sales if we break support. Yeah, we're gonna go take a look at that in a couple seconds. We'll go back to GJ. We just did GJ a couple minutes ago, but we'll go back at it. Let's see. And I think we're pretty much done here on the swing. Yeah, this one I did close early, but kind of sucks. You know, when I saw the switch of structure to the upside on a lower time frame, this is where I exited. It's too bad. I was super close with my 3-1. So basically, when we did broke this area, I think it was it on a 1 hour. Yeah, when we broke this area right there, I kind of closed like somewhere around here, like can't remember where it was. It was like a little bit in a more like 2 point-ish. It was somewhere, yeah, I think it was a little lower. I think it's when we broke the high here, whatever. But yeah, it was like like a 1 to 2 point something, but it's too bad. I was really close to that 3-1. Like, look at this. I was like, damn. But hey, it is what it is. So now let's take a look at what we got here. I think the move, let's see. We're still bullish on the weekly. Daily is, so this is, we're bearish here, and this is just market structure. So at the moment, the daily is bearish. So, meh. 4 hours bullish. I don't know. Euro GPP look like shit right now. Euro GPY, no. And NZD USD maybe. Whoa, what the fuck? I had a lot of lines here. I was probably explaining a lot of shit last night on Instagram. I don't know. Can't remember. Let's see here. Let's delete that. Okay. Let's start from fresh. How does look? How does NZD USD look? Weekly, we are bullish. Came up here. I was expecting a retest of this area, but looked like we're breaking down. We broke previous low, so we're probably going to be going to area of interest number 2, which is right here. Bam. Let's put this zone. Here we go. So actually, that would be our weekly area of interest. Bam. Number 2. Okay, so number 1, we just broke it. So here's number 2. And C, can we take it to the upside from there? The daily is still bullish. Okay, cool. Yeah, this looks actually better than those one here. So let's put it up here. We're gonna be looking at a 4 time frame switch of structure to the upside. Right now it's bearish. So yeah, I mean, so far, I mean, I think good potential are AUD CAD, GA, AUD GPY, Euro AUD, and NZD USD. So basically that's the one I'm going to be looking for. And GJ, now let's go back to GJ. So like I said, if you want a quick scalp, not a swing, if you want to scalp on GJ, I think if we can have like a retest of this major QP at 161, that'll be great. Or break and retest like under that 1 hour support here, which is happening as we speak. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Just, oh no, it's closing now in like 6 minutes. So yeah. But again, I think on that one, I'm probably going to go with the H4 dogtail setup. So meaning I'm going to wait for that H4 candle to close. Hopefully it's going to close a little lower. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be waiting for the next 4-hour candle to open up, create the wick, which is I call the tail. So creating the tail, so using the dogtail setup. And once the dogs start running and the nose past this wick to the left, this is where I'm going to get into the trade. Yeah. I think that's what I'm going to do. And for gold, yeah, gold, I might use the same trick here on the H4 dogtail setup to go to the golden zone as an exit, because I'm looking to take it to the downside mainly. But quick scalp can go to the upside and use the H4 dogtail setup. Man, this candle just pushed really hard, man. Holy. Okay. So we shall see. We shall see. Yeah, that's about it. Any more questions, guys? Let's see. You guys want to say hello to Gambit? Gambit. Gambit, say hi. Oh, this guy's sleepy. Look at the snow outside. Boo. Yeah, I'm live from Gatineau right now, and we're about to see some new customers, so that's gonna be fun. Man, I got something in my eye. Just pissed me off. Ah, man. Okay, so let's see here. Yeah, I think we're good. Any last questions, guys? All right, so you guys know the plan. So again, if there's anything else, let me know. Send me a DM. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you on. I think we're gonna do a special episode on Friday. I know I didn't do any Forex talk over beer this week, and I think it's because I want to make sure that I don't have a drink because I'm drinking water for the month of January. But leaving on a cruise on Saturday, so Friday night I might do a quick Forex talk over beer just to say what's up and to say goodbye. Bam. All right, so guys, thank you so much for tuning in this morning, and I'll see you on Friday. Take care.